Good afternoon everyone. So in this class we will be discussing about how information visualization is useful. Okay. So in all the previous classes we discussed, we were just discussing about how information or what information visualization is and different stages of information visualization and how information visualization is useful in many processes. So what do you mean by information visualization is? So we are going to take something in text. Okay, so whatever is the data, we are going to convert it into some image form and then we are presenting it to users. So by seeing that image or any graphics, if the audience or somebody who sees the image, if he or she is able to understand what is being displayed or what is being conveyed, then it will be very useful. Okay. So in this picture we are going to discuss about or else we are going to project about what is going to be the composition of money. Okay. So rather than writing in the black text, okay, so by using a picture or by using a lot of text or definition of money and what is the composition of money, rather than writing it on the blackboard. Okay. So if the composition of money is displayed in an image, okay, so it is easily understandable. So this is a very simple process of displaying out of 100%, how much glucose, how much percentage, or like malt was how much percentage, and that too in different colors if you are able to display means by seeing. Okay, so any audience can directly understand that without explaining all the contents, an audience can understand about this is about composition of money. Okay, so here we are using different colors, different text, and different graphics also we are trying to use. So as far as more attractive the image is, the information goes to the audience in an appropriate way. Okay. So next picture is about steps in product design. Okay, so here we are having 5 stages. Okay, hypothesis, build, third stage is to test, then fourth is launch, fifth is monitor. Okay, so in any product design, we just assume that we are going to use these 5 stages. Okay, so what do you mean by hypothesis? We are going to assume something and we are going to move towards that hypothesis. Okay, so hypothesis அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து result நம்ம fix பண்ணிட்டு we are going to move towards that result. Hypothesis அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து success ஆக இருக்கலாம் or else it may be failure. Okay, so we will just try to move from the initial stage to last stage. If you are able to achieve what we are already planned, then we say that hypothesis is true. If you are not able to achieve, நம்ம நினைக்கிற ரிசல்ட்டுக்கு நம்ம போக முடியலனா, we say that hypothesis is false. Okay, so first we are going to hypothesis, that is we are going to assume what is going to be the result. Second one is build. Okay, so we are building some products. In this software, another machine or whatever it is. Okay, we are trying to build. As any product built from the program, we will be testing whether it is working successfully or not. Next is after testing, we are going to launch and delivery. Okay. Next we are going to monitor. Monitor further improvements monitor. Okay. So then we will be moving towards goal. Okay. So if the Mahindra cars follow the Mahindra XUV 700 அப்படி ஒரு கார் வந்து லான்ச் பண்ணாங்க. ஓகேவா? சோ அதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் வந்து மஹிந்திரா ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஓகே. சோ அதுல அவங்க இனிஷியலா பிளான் பண்ணப்போ என்ன பண்ணாங்க அப்படினா மஹிந்திரா XUV 7000 வந்து அவங்க டிராயிங் போர்ட்ல போய் டிசைன் பண்ணும்போது their idea was to build only 3000 vehicles. ஓகேவா? சக்சஸ்ஃபுல்லாவே வந்தாலுமே டோட்டலா அதோட நம்பர் ஆஃப் யூனிட்ஸ் வந்து 3000 தான் வந்து மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்றோம்னு சொல்லிட்டா ஆரம்பிச்சாங்க, டிசைன் பண்ணாங்க, எல்லாமே பண்ணாங்க. பட் they are selling 3000 per month nowadays. ஓகேவா? சோ இப்போ மணிக்கோட வேற காசு வந்துட்டாலும் அதை அவங்க நினைச்சு பார்க்க முடியாத அளவுக்கு ஒரு சக்சஸ் ரேட் வந்து இருந்துச்சு. ஓகே, so if we want to explain the concept, we can use this diagram to explain the audience about what are the steps involved in product design. Okay, so rather than spending hours in discussing, we can just display this one image and we can explain all the stages in product design and we can make most of the audience to understand what is product design. Okay. Next, this self-explanating. Okay, so previous two images we discussed, rather I told what that particular information is about. So if I just project this image, okay, I am not going to explain anything about this image. Okay, even that is the case, by seeing this image, audience can understand, okay, this image is about top 50 websites. Okay, so by seeing Google, okay, Google is our percentage is higher. So by seeing this, we can just say that Google is the number one website used in the world. Okay, so நம்மளுக்கு measurements இல்லைனால அத பார்த்தாலே என்ன சொல்றோம், Google தான் நம்பர் 1 யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. Next comes YouTube. Okay, அதோட percentage பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 92.58% of people use Google. அப்படிங்கிறது it is easily conveyed. So நம்ம சொல்றதும் எழுதி போறதும் எல்லாமே இல்லாம இந்த மாதிரி ப்ரொஜெக்ட் பண்ணும்போது கலர்ஸ் டிஃபரண்ட் கிராபிக்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது it reaches audience very easily.